In the hustle and bustle of life, finding inner peace may seem like a distant dream, but fear not, it's more attainable than you think. Welcome to a journey of tranquility, a journey towards inner peace. First, embrace the power of now. Life is happening in this very moment. Second, foster a positive mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. Third, show yourself some love. You are your best friend. Fourth, take care of yourself. A healthy body houses a peaceful mind. Visualize serenity. Let your mind escape to a peaceful place. Practice conscious breathing. It's your anchor in the storm. Connect with nature. It's the best healer. Gratitude. It's the quickest path to joy. Accept reality. It's the first step towards change. Practice non-judgment. It's the key to understanding. Foster positive relationships. They are the pillars of your happiness. Remember, inner peace is not a destination, it's a journey. And it begins with you. So, what's the first habit you want to work on? Share your thoughts. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. And your journey towards inner peace starts now.